Sally folks, today we are starting with our colors in French, that is couleur en français, okay? So we are starting from red, that is red, orange, okay? Orange, blue, blue, okay? Blue, 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 green, vert, vert, okay? Yellow, juin, okay? Juin, pink, rouge, okay? Rouge, black, noir, okay? Noir, white, blanc, okay? Blanc. Now let's come on the next page and see what's happening. So we are on the next page, and now it's start from brown, okay? Brown, marron, gray, gris, okay? Gray. For orange, the spelling are similar, but the pronunciation is different, okay? So we call it orange, okay? Orange. Gold, oh, okay? Oh. For purple, it is violet, okay? Violet. Silver, it is argent, argent, okay? So this is all about the video. For more videos, you can subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching.